Are you looking to land your dream job? It all starts with a professional resume. In this video, I'll show you how to create a standout resume or CV using Microsoft Word, step by step. Whether you're a beginner or looking to refresh your CV, this guide is for you. Let's get started. First thing we need to do is to open Microsoft Word. We'll create a new document, but instead of starting from scratch, we will take advantage of the built-in resume templates. So you'll just click here on new and the templates would be at the bottom. You can always just click on resumes and cover letters, or I'll do a search. I'll just say professional resume. You can also say professional CV. Let's search here. Then you'll see several professionally designed templates already. Choose one that best fits your industry and click create. For the purpose of this video, I will be a marketing intern, still fresh in the job market with limited experience as an intern for 1 year and working at my uncle's workshop for a while. So I'm still brand new, but I want to create a professional looking resume because I'm applying for a specific job. So I'll choose this one here. And if you're happy with the one, you can always have a look here. If you're happy with it, you just say create. Now let's personalize it. Replace the default name with yours. Add your contact information, including your phone number, your email address, the area where you are. That is not a necessity, but you can add that, and your LinkedIn profile if you have one. So let me go and change everything out here. Okay, I'll get back to the picture later. I'll just swap this out for one of mine. You do not need a picture on it, but I just felt like I will use one with a picture in already. A great resume starts with a strong summary or objective. If you have work experience, write a summary highlighting your skills and achievements. If you're a fresh graduate or switching careers, use an objective statement to express your career goals. Keep it concise, about 2 to 3 sentences. So I'm just going to change this to summary. So I'm not a content writer. I don't create CVs for a living or resumes for a living. I teach you how to use the software that is available to create this. So for this video, I'm going to show you how you can make use of some help from AI to build your CV and make it as professional as possible. So I'm going to use ChatGPT. You can just open a browser, go to chatgpt.com, and then you ask it what you want it to do. So I've already drafted what I want to ask it. I'm basically telling it that I'm creating a CV for a job I'm applying to. I explain my experience, my work experience. I explain my technical experience and skills that I've got, my personal or soft skills, the qualifications I have, and then I ask it to help me to write a professional summary and how I want it, keep it short. I ask it to help me with a list of my soft skills and technical skills based on the person I am that I've put above, and to just help me summarize my work experience in bullet form. Once you've asked it whatever you want to, you can just click send here or press enter. Just remember that this is a computer. Give it as much information as possible. Don't worry about how you write it. It doesn't judge. So just put in as much detail as possible. So this gives you the professional summary or objective statement that you can use. It says you're motivated and detail-oriented marketing graduate with experience in social media management, administrative support, and client engagement, and just gives you a nice little summary, which I'm very happy with, and I would not have been able to come up with this on my own. So we can just replace their summary with ours, and then move on to the next part. Next is your work experience. You list your previous jobs in reverse chronological order, starting with the most recent. Include your job title, company name, location, and the dates of employment, and then you use bullet points to describe your key responsibilities and achievements, and you focus on measurable results. So for example, instead of saying you manage the social media, say increased social media engagement by 40% over 6 months, or something like that. You need to show your worth. Let's just start here. I was a marketing intern at, it's called this marketing company in Boston, and that was from 2024 to present. We'll just delete that part here. We'll go back to ChatGPT, scroll down, XYZ marketing firm, and we'll copy the bullet points that it's given me based on the work experience that I have, that I've given it, and we'll paste this here. Let's just delete this. It's not copying the bullets over correctly. And just align that to the left and put it in bullet form. And there we go. If you want to just move up the bullets, let's just do that. We'll just move this all up a little bit to there. I want it all in line there. And then the next point, customer service and social media assistant. So although it was just a job helping out my uncle for the purpose of this video, it makes it look very professional or sound very professional. Okay, we'll list the company here, Uncle's Workshop, also in Boston, and that was between 2023 and 2024. And we just copy the bullets again, delete this here, make sure that it's aligned left and in bullet form, and move that in line. See, I grabbed the bottom one. If I were to grab that one, it would only move this section here. If I were to grab that one only, it would only move the bullet. If you grab the bottom part there, it moves all of them together. And there we go. So now the work experience is done. We can move on to education. Include your degree, school name, graduation year, any additional certifications relevant to the job, list them as well. And for me, it would just be a diploma at Boston University obtained in 2023. We'll delete this, and I'm just going to make this block a little bit smaller. Then you want to highlight your key skills. Employers look for specific skills, so make sure to highlight yours. Create a dedicated section for skills and list both your technical and soft skills. If applying for a specific job, tailor this section by including skills mentioned in the job description. So let's do this here. Okay, I want to just move this all up a bit. So I'll select that one nicely on the frame, and I'll add that one by holding in the control key, and then I'll just press the up arrow on my key, or just move this up a bit. Okay, so this would be the technical skills. What I actually want to do is just see how far it goes. Technical skills, just put it in one line. Okay, I'm going to delete all of that and then look at the technical skills that it's given me here. So it's basically already given you, based on what I've explained it's given me the technical skills based on that. I'll copy all of this here, go here and paste my technical skills in here. Again, let's just select all there and put it as left align. Okay, I don't want all of this here. Basic Google Ads, Microsoft Word and Excel, calendar management. Let's open this a bit. Okay, so once you've got your technical skills in, we can move over to our soft skills. I'm going to remove this certification part, change this to soft skills, and let's just copy this here and swap it out with the soft skills. Okay. Into personal skills. Let's just do that one only. Okay, now that I've completed the skills, we can move on. Your resume should be clean and easy to read. Try and stick to one page format unless you have extensive experience. Use consistent font sizes, bold for section headings, and proper spacing. So let's just format this a little bit more and we'll change this picture out as well. So as you can see, it's a little bit of white space here, a little bit of gaps here. You can always add something like a couple of hobbies that you like, or maybe you speak a couple of languages, add this here as well, add some hobbies in here, whatever, just if you want to make it a little bit longer. What we can do is just select, let's just move this, don't really have to like click on the line there. Let's just move this one down a bit, move this one in line, and then we'll move this down to make sure that the gap between there and there is more or less the same. Okay, and what I can do here is maybe add a bit of a gap there and move this one down a little bit. Okay, there we go, just so that it's spaced out properly. Now we want to change the picture, so you can always just delete this and insert a new picture, or you can grab a picture and drag it and put it on there, or we can just go here and say change picture from device. Okay, so there's a couple of pictures of me. Let's just put that one. Now because that picture is not square, the ratio is not exactly 1:1. It takes the middle of the picture. So to fix that, we just right click, go to crop, and then I can just move it to where I want it, like that. Okay, so now we are happy with the overall look of our resume. But before sending your resume, proofread for typos and grammar errors, because a single mistake can cost you an opportunity. Use word spelling and grammar check or tools like Grammarly. Once you're satisfied, you can save it and then change it into a PDF. So let's just save it first. We'll just say file, save, and we'll just say resume, save it, and then we can say save as. And what we'll do is just here on top, we will change this to PDF and save that. Let's go open the PDF. Documents. And that's it. Now you have a professional, polished resume ready to impress employers. If you do not have access to Microsoft Word, please watch my video on how to create a professional resume using Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help. Best of luck with your job search.